How to animate subtitles in Premiere Pro. To begin, I added an audio to my timeline. With your audio selected, open up Text panel and click on Create Captions from Transcript. Expand captioning preferences and set the settings to your liking. Here I lower maximum length and make subtitles to appear on a single line, and click on Transcribe button. Now Premiere generated the captions for us and put them in a subtitle track. To stylize captions, select one of them and open up Essential Graphics panel. Change font family, size, and other properties to your liking. To apply this style to other captions, under Track Style from drop-down click on Create Style. Now all the captions have the same style, and it's time to animate them. Here we can't add any animations to the subtitle track or the captions, so we need to first convert them to text and then animate them. Select all the captions, then from Graphics and Titles menu, select Upgrade Caption to Graphic. Now select the first text layer and open up Effect Controls panel. Move the playhead to the start, click on the anchor point, and drag this small blue circle to the middle of the text. Now click on the stopwatch next to scale and set it to 0. Move playhead 1 frame forward and set scale to 120. Move playhead 1 frame forward and set scale to 100. Now we have this nice pop-in effect, and it's time to apply it to other captions. Click on the vector motion and press Ctrl+C to copy it. Then select other captions and press Ctrl+V to paste it. Now we animated the captions, but keep in mind that instead of this pop effect, we can create any effect or use one of the built-in transitions and apply it to the captions.
She had a unique perspective on the world, often seeing beauty in the things that others overlooked.
Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.